Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this aux cable, which is of C type to 3.5 mm audio jack. This one, because see here, this is my Motorola H50 mobile, and I have this 3.5 mm headphones, earphones you can say, but there is no slot here. See, if you can see, there is no slot, only the C slot is available for this phone, as many modern mobiles nowadays are not having this 3.5 mm jack. So that's the reason I just purchased this for 200 rupees. Now I'll just unbox this and I'll plug in this. And even though I have this Bluetooth earphones which are from Realme Buds Wireless 3 Neo, but still I want these earbuds for the clarity, and there is no need of charging these earbuds. That's the reason I want this. And these are the JBL earphones. I pretty much like this, and these are also very good. Yeah, let me just open this. Yeah, see here, this is what the inner package is. That's just this aux cable. This is from the Aliens brand. See here, Aliens aux Cable 0.12 mm Type C to 3.5 mm audio jack cable, DAC, headphone or earphone converter, adapter, hi-fi stereo, aux cable. Okay, let me just open this from also. There is, yeah, actually there is no need to tear this, just you can open this pocket here and just take this out. Yeah, see here, this is very handy, 0.12 meter, very short, so that you can easy to carry it anywhere. Okay, and let me have a closer look. This is the nylon material which is covering the inner wires. Okay, this is outer, this is the nylon wire which is of good quality. See here, okay, easily bendable and very good, decently good. This is the Aliens branding here. Okay, Aliens branding. So let me just put in here, and this is the C type here, and this is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Now let me just insert this into my C port available on the phone. Yeah, here I'll be just plugging in this 3.5 earphone jack here, so that I'll try to play a song on this mobile. And as soon as I kept this, there is something in the notification bar, and Dolby Atmos, new device connected. There are no saved settings for this device, so smart audio effects are enabled. You can customize audio. Okay, this is the inbuilt software available on this Motorola H50 mobile. That's the reason as soon as I connect this Aliens aux cable, that notification appeared. Let me just plug in this. Now it's properly inserted here. Okay, now just let me play a song from the YouTube itself. Maybe, yeah, I'll be just playing a song here. I'll just try to listen this. Yeah, yeah, now I just listen to the song for a few seconds. The audio quality is pretty good, and now I can be able to listen even with the earphones, 3.5 mm earphones, with this aux cable, means the converter, from C type to 3.5 mm converter, and there is no loss of signal. This is my first initial impressions. And this is the Bluetooth headphones from ELB Buds 3. I did a unboxing video, just check in the description. This is also very good, but I want to use these earbuds also, these wired earbuds also. Many users like me are interested to listen songs or take calls using these wired earphones. If anyone else are just looking like me or interested like me to listen songs using these 3.5 mm earphones, please do just comment down so that I'll get to know who else are interested just like me. Yeah. Again, I'll just try to play the song for 1 more minute. Yeah, this is excellent. And not only here, you can insert the same in the laptop also. Say for example, uh, your laptop, already my laptop has this 3.5 mm headphone jack. This is Lenovo branded AMD Ryzen uh, 55625U laptop, which is a brand new laptop. Find this laptop unboxing in the description. But I also have this C type port here. If you can observe from here also, you can just plug in this and make use of 3.5 mm headphone jack. Means if you don't have this port, then you can make use for tabs, laptops, mobile. Okay. Yeah, in this way, at this low price, this aux cable type C to 3.5 mm audio jack converter adapter will be useful. If you do have any other questions, just to ask in the comments. Yeah, I hope you like this video tutorial and unboxing of this aux cable. uh, Please do hit a like if you like this. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.